Hi guys, welcome to 5 Minutes Maths again, and welcome to another episode. And today's episode is for greatest common factor. And I've done this greatest common factor in another video using a rainbow method. The rainbow method is, I believe, most commonly used method in the school and colleges in UK. And I think the rainbow method particularly is very useful to understand what greatest common factor is and how it works. However, in this episode I'm using a reminder method, which is a different approach to this problem, and this is, I would say, a bit quicker method, and I've seen some South Asian countries has been using this method. So let's see how it works and how you find this one. And you don't have to use this method, but if you find this easier and quicker, of course you are welcome to use this method. So let's see. So to explain this reminder method, I'm going to take two numbers, 12 and 18. So we're going to calculate the greatest common factors between 12 and 18. For doing this, the reminder method, according to the reminder method, I'm going to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Here the bigger number is 18 and the smaller number is 12. So let's do a division. So I'm dividing 18 by 12. I'm using bus stop method as usual, which is the most popular method in UK, I believe. So 18 divided by 12, 12 goes 1 times in 18, so I'm putting 1 on top and I'm bringing 12 under 18, and then I'm going to subtract 12 from 18, which is giving me a 6, a reminder. 6 is my reminder, and now this 6 I'm going to use to divide 12. So this is how, when I get a reminder, I'm going to use this reminder to divide this number as long as I'm getting a reminder. So let's divide 12 by 6. So 12 by 6, 6 goes 2 times in 12, and I'm getting 12 underneath, and I don't have any reminder. So that's it. That means 6 is if I divide by 6, I'm not getting any reminder, so 6 is my end point. So this 6 is my greatest common factor. That means this 6 could be used to divide both 12 and 18. Let's do another one to make it clear. So now I'm going to use number 14 and 30, and I'm going to calculate the greatest common factor between these two numbers. So 14, I'm going to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. So 30 divided by 14, and 14 goes 2 times into 30, and I'm getting 28 underneath, which if I subtract, I'm getting 2. So here my reminder is 2, so I'm going to divide 14 by these 2. So 2 divided by 14, 2 goes 7 times in 14, and I'm getting 14 underneath and no reminder left. So 2 is the end point here. So between 14 and 30, 2 is the greatest common factor. So this is how the reminder method works. So you keep dividing the bigger number by the smaller number, and then the divide the divider by the reminder, and keep doing this until you get no reminder. So when you get no reminder left, the divider of that sum is your greatest common factor. Hope this is useful, and just to give you a quicker version of greatest common factor, and it's a bit mathematical version, but just another approach. Thank you very much for watching, and stay with us. Subscribe this channel for other methods and other sums, and share this with other people. Thank you so much. Bye.